Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting DIY skincare secret that's going to transform your skin. Imagine reducing wrinkles, fading dark spots, and achieving that flawless glass skin look, all with just a few natural ingredients you probably already have at home. Sounds amazing, right? We're talking about the ultimate skin-loving trio: vitamin E oil, flaxseed gel, and aloe vera gel. These ingredients are not only natural, but also incredibly effective in nourishing and rejuvenating your skin. In this video, I'll show you how to whip up this magical serum in just a few minutes, how to apply it for maximum benefits, and why it's a game changer for your skincare routine. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive into the secret to youthful, glowing skin. Ready to glow? Let's get started! Now, let's address the common skin issues that many of us face: dullness, uneven texture, and lack of hydration. These can be major roadblocks on the path to achieving that glass skin glow. But fear not, our DIY face serum is here to save the day. Before we dive into the recipe, let's talk about why these ingredients are so powerful. 1. Vitamin E oil. Known as the skin vitamin, it's a potent antioxidant that protects your skin from damage, nourishes, and helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. 2. Flaxseed gel. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, it hydrates, firms, and smooths the skin, making it a fantastic anti-aging agent. 3. Aloe vera gel. Famous for its soothing and healing properties, it moisturizes, reduces inflammation, and helps fade dark spots for an even skin tone. Now here comes the exciting part, mixing all these ingredients together to create our magical face serum. Once you've whipped up the serum, it's time to apply it and witness the transformation. Get ready to see your skin glow like never before. Ingredients needed: vitamin E oil, 2 capsules, flaxseed gel, 2 tablespoons, aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons. Here's what you'll need: vitamin E oil, flaxseed gel, and aloe vera gel. These ingredients are packed with nutrients that nourish your skin and help achieve a youthful, radiant glow. Preparation method: 1. Extracting flaxseed gel. First, let's prepare the flaxseed gel. Take 1 to 4 cups of flax seeds and 2 cups of water. Boil them together until it forms a gel-like consistency. Strain the mixture to separate the seeds from the gel. 2. Extracting aloe vera gel. Next, take a fresh aloe vera leaf, cut it open, and scoop out the gel. Blend it for a smoother consistency. 3. Combining ingredients. Now mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of flaxseed gel, and the oil from 2 vitamin E capsules in a clean bowl. Stir well until everything is well combined. Application. To apply, start with a clean, dry face. Take a small amount of the serum and gently massage it into your skin using upward, circular motions. Focus on areas with wrinkles and dark spots. Use the serum twice a day in the morning and before bed for best results. If you have sensitive skin, do a patch test first to ensure there's no irritation. Storage. Store your homemade serum in a small glass bottle and keep it in the refrigerator. This will keep it fresh for up to 2 weeks. Shake well before each use. Benefits and importance. This serum is a powerhouse of skin-loving ingredients. Vitamin E oil is a potent antioxidant that helps repair skin damage and reduce wrinkles. Flaxseed gel is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, which promote skin hydration and elasticity. Aloe vera gel soothes and heals the skin, reducing dark spots and promoting a glass-like finish. Regular use of this serum can significantly reduce the appearance of wrinkles and dark spots, leaving your skin smooth, hydrated, and radiant. Results. With consistent use, you'll start noticing improvements in your skin texture and tone within a few weeks. Your skin will look more youthful, even-toned, and glowing. In conclusion, This DIY face serum is a game changer for anyone looking to achieve glass skin effortlessly. It's all about embracing the simplicity and effectiveness of natural skincare solutions. Say goodbye to complicated routines and hello to glowing, healthy skin. And that's how you make a powerful homemade face serum for reducing wrinkles, dark spots, and achieving glass skin. I urge you to give this DIY face serum a try. Share your results in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more skincare tips, and don't forget to comment below with your results or any questions you have. Your support helps me create more amazing content. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep glowing. Let's embark on this journey to radiant skin together. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.